So before you go on streets shouting, ranting, lashing out, oh, my husband cheating, oh, I don't know why, I found him with this other girl, I found him, I'm not understanding him. Ask yourself, are you really active in your bedroom? Have you been doing the best that you ought to do? Do you really give him sufficient love? Are you good at making love? That's serious. Are you very good at making love? Learn from others. Speak to the people who are better than you. Find out where you could be weak. Men may keep silent because perhaps they are not in a position to tell you exactly what your weakness is. But at some point, if you realize there's a problem, try to find out and get a solution towards it. Stop ranting. Just do the best you can do. That is serious and it's according to the Bible. God bless you.